You would think that using a can opener is a no-brainer, but getting that lid out can sometimes be a mess. Here's how to make opening cans a little easier. A can opener is a common kitchen tool, but have you tried using it on its side? This would be the traditional way to open a can. But you can also place that blade on the side, just like that. And just crank away, like butter. Brilliant! Just like that. The lid's easy to remove and doesn't fall in. If you want, you can also strain the liquid first. Make one cut into the can and a smaller cut on the other side. Strain that liquid. Woo! Now flip to the side to take that lid off. Ta-da! Hey, secret's out. Guess I spilled the beans on that one. A little bland. Oop, too salty. Here's how to fix oversalted food. When it comes to cooking, sometimes you can add a little too much salt. But with a potato, we can fix that. I'm gonna get this peeled. You don't need a big potato. Just a little medium-sized one will do the job. Now this goes right into that hot pot. Let this cook until it's tender. That potato's gonna absorb extra salt and liquid. This potato trick is ideal for anything liquidy like soups and stews. Once that potato is tender, you can remove it. You can also replace the lost liquid. That'll help dilute the salt as well. Perfect. No salt for you. To cook rice, you usually use a ratio of 2 to 1. But here's a trick so you never have to measure again. And the secret is right at your fingertips. Pour in the rice. Make sure to rinse your rice first. This will help to remove some of that excess starch. Do this a few times until that water is mostly clear. There we go, all ready. Now to add the right amount of water. Touch your finger just to the top of the rice. Now add water until it reaches your first knuckle. All right, there we go. This works in rice cookers or a pot on the stove. Couldn't be easier than that. This looks so good, came out perfect. Rice is really one of my favorite foods, just like Grandma used to make. Tofu is such a good ingredient in so many recipes. This stuff is packed in a ton of liquid. And for cooking, you want to get rid of all that liquid. You can buy a tofu press, but it's really easy to do a DIY version. Use what you have and make your own tofu press. I like to use 2 similar sized containers. Turn one upside down. Tofu goes on top. And the trick is even pressure to squeeze out all that liquid. You can weigh this down with something heavy, like a skillet or a big can. And after about 20 minutes, all that extra liquid is out of your tofu. If you're letting this sit for longer, keep it in the fridge. Getting that excess liquid out is the key to firm, crispy tofu in your recipe. Thanks for watching Problem Solved. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and check out some of our other videos like these 2 right here.